Hey, Fancy Free RV fans. So here's the big day. We got big news. We are moving out of the travel trailer Prowler into a fifth wheel. Awesome. So this is a 2018 and this is a 2014 and I think 14 or 15. And oh my goodness, the difference. And there's a huge reason why we decided to make the switch. And I'll show you. Well, let's go have a tour. Let's go have a tour. First, I'll show you the Prowler. I did one tour once already, but that was empty, but I'm going to show you what it looks like with all of our stuff in here. So here I'm just going to show you, we were traveling just now, so I just wanted to show you that this is the entertainment center in the middle of the Prowler here, in the middle of the wall there with in the front of the Prowler. And so what Pops has, like, no privacy, no room. He has to come out here, walk around, and get on the other side. I mean, he doesn't normally have all this stuff in here, okay? So just keep that in mind. We're just traveling. But he has no room to get around, right? And there's no privacy, right? So that was getting kind of annoying for Pops. So it's important for him to have his privacy because I have my own. But it's just one of those things. So here is the cute little kitchen that we have. And the one slide out that we have, which is, there's the couch, awesome, very comfortable couch. I love that couch. Here's our little dinette. We did a lot of computer work there. And so this is the bathroom. There's our composting toilet and our sink. And here's our, all of our controls here for the tanks and stuff. And this is the bathroom, or the tub, which it works really well, okay? It served us really, really well. It is a little bit small, but it worked, right? It worked. But my bedroom, it was pretty good because I had my own space. So I have my pocket door here. I was close this off and I have lots of room, you know, like I said, we were traveling, so I have all this stuff on the floor now. But this is where I would have my computer and I would just bring this up and I had a lot of headspace, right? Where it served me very, very well. And this is where I slept, and that is where we did some storage stuff. This trailer is awesome for anybody going on vacation, but for full-time, we actually don't recommend it. So let's go over to the other trailer and I'll show you what that looks like. So okay, so here is the new Fancy Free RV trailer. So as you can see, with the difference when we walk in, this whole slide out is just one big couch instead of a dinette and a couch. So it's kind of like a mixed into two. So that's really great. And we have an ottoman, which is nice because then we can store stuff in here. Whoops. That's really nice. We have a little bit of a bigger fridge. As with fifth wheels, this is just going to be a lot more space anyways. A lot more counter space. And as you can see, it looks like it kind of turns to the left a little bit and it just looks like a lot more space, which is so nice because this is a slide out and this is going to be my bedroom, my new bedroom. So we got a couch and a bunk. And as I come in here, turn around a little bit, get a little more space here. This is like a lot of nice space, and here's a bathroom and a back door, right? Pretty nice. And I love those water savers. We get a fantastic fan, which is nice. So right away you can see that I have a lot more room and a lot more space to just do my video editing or anything here, that I just have a lot of space. This is so nice. And here is the cool part. Check this out. So as we're walking over here, you can see how much, oh yeah, and there's a fireplace. So nice. Pops gets his own bedroom, his own privacy. This is exciting. And he gets to walk around his bed. I mean, he's super excited about this, and check this out. I'm a little jealous, but that's okay. This is Pops' thing. Look how much room he has. It's a big closet. It's huge. That is so nice. And here's another cool thing. he gets his own bathroom. I mean, I'm super excited for Pops. He gets his own little bathroom. We're going to actually take this out and put it in the Prowler and put our composting toilet here. But this is so nice. This is really, really nice. Another access point for the bathroom. So there's the shower. There's the sink. That's exciting. All right, so there's the big news. We got a new place and we got a lot more room and we're excited. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spend the day grabbing all of our stuff from the Prowler to now the fifth wheel. So, all right,